Today we'll be learning how the alphabet A sounds. Are you ready? Let's start. A sounds A, letter A sounds A. A sounds A, letter A sounds A. A for apple, I eat my apple. R for apple, I eat my apple. A sounds A, letter A sounds A. A for ant, ants eat apples. A for ant, ants eat apples. A sounds A, letter A sounds A. A for arm, I love my arm. A for arm, I love my arm. A sounds A, letter A sounds A. A for arrow, I shoot my arrow. A for arrow, I shoot my arrow. A sounds A, letter A sounds A. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe to watch more videos from Fina and KC.